into the deaths of the actor Gene Hackman and his wife Betsy Arakawa. They say he died from heart disease after his wife passed away from a rare infectious illness. Their bodies were discovered at their home in New Mexico last month. Officials believe he died a week after his wife. Well, Emma Vardy has our top story from Los Angeles.
When the bodies of Gene Hackman, his wife and one of their dogs were found last week at their home in Santa Fe, it was unclear what circumstances had led to their deaths.
Santa Fe 911, what is it? Is it emergency?
Investigators have been piecing together the couple's movements. They now say they believe his wife, Betsy Arakawa, had died around a week before him.
It's not uncommon to find someone down on the floor as part of a terminal collapse, so to speak, and that may very well have been what happened to Miss Hackman.
Test results showed she'd contracted a rare virus called hantavirus, which can be transmitted from animals to humans and can be fatal, and that Gene Hackman died a week later of cardiovascular problems.
The question was he aware that Miss Hackman had died? And I think that question's difficult to answer, but I can tell you that he was in an advanced state of Alzheimer's, and it's quite possible that he was not aware that she was deceased.
The couple were found in different rooms and were only discovered when a caretaker called at the house and raised the alarm. Tributes have been paid to Gene Hackman by many fellow actors in Hollywood, and his family said he will be sorely missed.
Is this mystery now cleared up, or is there any more that might come out, Emma?
Well, to some degree, they have now answered many questions, but investigators have been trying to piece together the couple's final movements in that week, looking at CCTV, looking at phone records. But this virus that they say Betsy Arakawa contracted, hantavirus, they say is something they do see several times a year in Santa Fe, though it is pretty rare. It starts off as flu-like symptoms, so it could be mistaken for something else, and of course it can be very serious. But it does paint this rather grim picture that she had died first and that Gene Hackman was in the house alone for a week or so, and that his Alzheimer's means it is very unclear as to how much he would have known as to what was going on or whether he would have been able to get help at all. But after this seemingly mysterious circumstances, now a number of questions have been answered to unravel some of the circumstances that led to Gene Hackman and his wife's death.
All right, Emma, thank you for that. Emma Vardy there, live in Los Angeles.